Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Mac is signed into the correct Apple ID. Open System Settings and confirm your account. Once done, open the Photos app and enable iCloud Photos so syncing begins. Make a choice. Download originals if you want full-resolution files locally, or select Optimize Mac storage to save space. This affects how quickly images appear and how much disk they use. You're already in motion. Confirm settings and let the initial sync begin. Once iCloud Photos is enabled, look at the Photos app status bar to watch upload and download progress. You'll see counts and estimated time. Make sure your Mac stays awake and on a reliable Wi-Fi network, because large libraries can take hours. You can temporarily change energy saver settings to prevent sleep. Verify the same photos appear on iCloud.com or another Apple device. This confirms successful syncing and helps you spot missing albums or stalled uploads early. To finish, let the sync complete and inspect moments and albums. Thumbnails may update before full-resolution files arrive. If things stall, try quitting and reopening Photos to force a refresh, and, if needed, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restart the Mac. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage and that Mac OS is up to date. If issues continue, free space or update software. These steps resolve most sync failures and restore normal iCloud Photos behavior.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.